What's up, guys? And I get to start the day off butthurt. Few reasons. Well, I'm out of dew. I'm out of Dr. Pepper. I'm drinking diet. No. Also, I usually use a handheld like kind of tripod deal, and went to put it in today, and yep, broke right inside the camera. So I spent the last 35 minutes trying to get that out, and I was gonna start vacuuming, and now she smokes. It works, but it smokes. We're getting real down there, close to ICC time. I mean, we're single digits. Today, as of today, we're 5 days out. What is that month, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, 5 days out. So, I've got 5 days to clean this out. I am going to vacuum. I am going to use that. And I hope that doesn't burn my shop down. I got the heat on. Don't let the sun fool you. It's super windy and it's cold. Fantastic. Still got to polish up here. All that stuff. And I got to figure out what I want to do on the interior. How I can make this look better, if I'm just going to clean it or what the hell I'm going to do. I really love that Quanbeck handbrake, but do I want that? Do I want to use the one I made? I don't know. I think it's just getting bored and I'm just overthinking crap. But oh yeah, we got to get out my special paint pen, aka Sharpie. Fill some of that stuff, fix some of that stuff. So let's see if I can burn the shop down, because I've already had a shit day. Oh man, Diet Dr. Pepper is no good. Now I gotta go buy another handheld tripod. The heat's going, the heat stinks. So let's start cleaning out the 40. Hood prop, gotta keep that. Huh? How does it get? I don't even drive it that often. How is it this dirty? Always keep spare tools in here, especially if it's 240. Why is it on fire?
Because it just caught on fire and like his heater, the heater wiring.
I want to see that.
You want to see it?
Okay, so why is your car on fire?
Because it just caught on fire, okay?
How did it just caught on fire?
The heater wiring. Like, I guess I was sitting there jamming out the music and then the dash started smoking. And then somebody's like, hey, it looks like there's fire behind the radio. There was fire behind the radio.
Did you wire the radio?
Yeah, but like, I know how to do all that, and like, I do it real good, and like, it wasn't that.
It's 1,000 watts.
I don't know. It's on the internet now. They decide. They'll decide based on your looks. If you, they don't know anything about you, but they'll decide based on your looks. If you did a good.
No, I don't have a fire extinguisher.
That's why I was making fun of him, because when I saw the fire extinguisher in your car, I pointed it out to him.
Well, that's because I have to. And I got one of my Yukon. And right there.
It's a good thing to have, Dylan.
It's not a bad thing. They're like $12. long deal, so.
Bit late for the light.
You got power.
Power.
Good sign. Hey, the temperature's right. 42. Let's go, old girl. That's not happening.
It said
Now
smoke.
we ain't got no power.
Well, one of the jumper cables.
Yeah, one of the jumper
kinda
cables
like,
started smoking.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
power smoked when you turn the key. Yeah, back door doesn't even open.
That's stuck. Let's get this ripped open while we're charging that, huh?
I don't know how the fuck. How to stop it over.
Here, wait a second. Oh, hi. How you doing? Hey, how you doing? Oh, yeah, that don't stay up. See ya. Bye. Ready?
Yeah. Cart in the way. Like there's a baby stroller in the back.
Lay on it.
That's a big baby stroller.
I don't care about your back. Are we gonna be able to get this off? It will only come off if we get this off.
Do you have any WD-40?
Yeah.
That's the Pentro. Hold on.
Try spraying the latch. Maybe the maybe the latch is just rusted. Jesus Christ.
Alright, this video is not sponsored by Schaefer's, but
Fucking men.
Pentroff. Oh, you sprayed on it? Happening. Something's not. Look at all that filled in with shit. What is that? You see all that black shit?
Yeah, shit. It's not pulling that latch up high enough.
This one?
Yeah. I think that's a latch.
Did it pull up?
Shit. Try.
Hey!
Hi.
Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.
You know what really sucks now?
Hydraulics.
The hydraulics don't work. Alright, hold that there. I'm gonna get a pair of vice, couple pairs of vice grips. Here, hold that. Yeah, that's not tight enough to feel safe. That might be. I'll go. Alright. Now how can we...
Didn't die.
Well, we gotta keep getting this off.
There's bolts.
Huh?
There's bolts.
Son of a biscuit whore!
Yes. Oh, hey, there's that fucking. I found that black shit.
Black shit.
That black shit right there.
Black shit. Oh, black shit.
I think.
Black shit.
Proper fixing.
Well, I didn't want to fuck with. Find the right size fucking. Oh man, this sucks.
No.
Look how rusty that is.
Yeah, they use spanny foam to kite it.
Rusty metal.
It's crunchy metal. Jesus.
No, crusty metal.
I just stepped on your shoe and you have
I don't. There's
might
mud on my
be-
shoe. Shit.
Might be shit.
I hope it's not.
There's a high possibility that it's shit.
I like how we took the liberty of just taking the hatch open and like we don't even have the car started yet.
Well, the battery got a charge. Alright. Get in here.
Getting in here.
That whole setup's just jank.
Rusty.
Yeah. So what goes on? That it's just zip tied.
Oh, it needs a new zip tie.
Yeah.
The zip tie's worn out.
Zip tie's worn out. You were gonna smoke this nasty thing.
Yes.
That is.
John, I'm not even gonna wait for you here. You put that in your mouth right now. Somebody, oh my God.
Dylan's
I don't
gonna
have
be...
a lighter. Seems to be an issue, Mr. Krabs.
Hey, there's a lighter in the thing up there.
All right. That is.
Can I blow it off?
No.
Ew, that was worse. Worse.
You smoke this one. Here, smoke that one. I dare you smoke that one.
I smoked both of them.
Ew.
Same time.
Oh my Lord.
So when Dylan dies,
Maybe wrap. That's years old. They haven't made Skylines in like a solid 3 years. It stinks. It really stinks.
This is bad.
What is that?
it's probably mold.
Ew.
It tastes nasty.
Take one big honker. Take one big honk and drag. Oh man. Oh, okay. I can't watch you die. Put that away.
I'll keep going.
What? Man?
I'm just gonna brush it off now, okay?
That's not okay, Dylan.
That's probably mold. This car leaked.
Did you know I'm allergic to mold? And like 3 different types?
You're gonna die. Just go over there and die. Like, don't do it in my yard. I don't know if my house insurance will cover that.
Go in the alley. Look at cities. The
Ew.
city's issue.
All right. Well, here. Let's show them what's going on here.
Yeah.
So, this zip tie here is just a little loose, so we gotta put a new zip tie on there. Here, you get up here, Stinky. Get over here.
Put it out, Bruce.
Yeah, get that. That thing really stinks. I almost threw up.
You want me to put it down?
Are you gonna save it?
Yeah, you want me to put it out on my tongue?
For the. Oh my Lord.
Content.
That might be poop.
It might be. I don't give a damn. Content is important.
Okay.
All right. Call me David Dobrik, I guess. Okay. Hopefully, when we cut this bad boy, we don't. Shit!
Till we stretch out that zip tie.
Oh yeah. Break the fucking. Oh Lord, now I get it. What in the fuck?
Oh, that's. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Okay, I was gonna say, I was like, shit.
No.
What in the hell? God damn! Just a giant pile of shit.
No, he is smoking the tile pile of shit.
Are you still smoking that?
No.
Not yet.
All right. Oh, the door's not
They're better
shut.
than casino
The door's not
cigarettes.
shut.
They got that going for them. That's a whole door.
Oh God, now we did it.
Maybe it's
The whole
doing the
thing.
same thing that the window did. That latch isn't. Is it?
Well, I'm just gonna leave that in there. Shut that.
Now we have all this stuff just laying around out here.
Yeah.
But let's see if she starts.
Yeah, let's give her our fingers across.
Let's hope she starts running.
I'm not going to catch the runs away.
And she's alive.
Golly! She took a second, she just like, BOM!
Red line.
Oh God, now she's dying. Now she ain't dying, boy. You gotta hold that foot down. Nope, come on. This stink? Yeah, she stinks.
Smells like that cigarette.
Try to take my foot off it slowly. Hey, it's idling. Check engine lights on. That's new. Power steering works. She's a little whiny.
Wheels move.
But it only has 52,000 miles.
252,000.
Oh, I'm missing the 2. Whoops.
That check engine light though, that's new. That's new. But we got it running. Anyways, I never introduced you who we got here. We got PJ.
Hi.
We got Dylan here. So we got her running. We got her fixed, kinda. We're gonna let her idle, let the battery charge up. So anyways, we're getting a lot closer to ICC. Come see me at the VIP booth. I'll have stickers for you guys from courtesy of Eyes Up Auto Art. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, keep on sliding.